You know how every September it feels like, right? The whole tech world just stops. Apple drops their new iPhones, media outlets go crazy, and all of us start asking same question. Is it worth upgrading or not? I've been using iPhone since the legendary iPhone 4S. Honestly, still one of my all-time favorites. Siri felt like the future back then, and the design just iconic. But times have changed, and iPhone lineup looks very different right now. And so do our expectations. So in this video, I'm going to compare my previous daily driver iPhone 15 Pro Max with the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'll break it down across the design, display, materials, performance, battery, cameras, screen, and at the end, I'll answer the most important question. Should you upgrade if you have iPhone 15, 16 or older, or it's better to wait? Also, we'll make small but really interesting experiment along the video, so stay tuned. First up, design and handling. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is slightly bigger than iPhone 15 Pro Max. You notice it the first time you hold it. It's a bit chunkier, but here's the thing. After a couple days of use, this difference basically disappears. But what doesn't disappear is the camera block. It's huge. Every time I put the 17 Pro Max in my pocket or pull it out, I feel it catching. And after a week of use, I'm still noticing it. If you wear slim jeans, yeah, you will notice it too. Colors. This year, Apple added that bright orange. And I know a lot of people hate it, but honestly, I love it. For years, Pro models came only with those, serious colors like graphite, black, titanium. Well, premium, yes, but boring. I always wanted something fun. At one point, I even considered switching to the non-Pro iPhones just for their colors, but I couldn't sacrifice performance and cameras. Finally, Apple gave us a bold color on the Pro line, and hopefully more fun options coming in the future. Now let's talk about materials. The iPhone 15 Pro Max was made of titanium, and this year Apple switched to aluminum with the 17 Pro Max, saying it helps with heat management. But here's the truth. In real life, I feel no difference. Right now, I'm holding both titanium 15 Pro Max and aluminum 17 Pro Max, and I feel no difference. Why? Because titanium or aluminum used only on sides, and on the back side, it's still glass for 15 and 17. So basically, for daily using, you will feel no difference at all. It still feels premium and raw. Now on the performance. On paper, the iPhone 17 Pro Max has this new A19 Pro chip. It's more powerful than the A17 Pro in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, at least in benchmarks. But day to day, Instagram loads the same, YouTube runs the same, even editing feels about the same unless you're pushing ProRes or gaming at the absolute max. So yes, the A19 is faster, but for the most people, it won't feel any different. So it's clearly not the reason for upgrade. Battery life. This is where things getting really interesting. My iPhone 15 Pro Max is 2 years old with 572 charge cycles and 87% battery health. On a normal day, navigation, social media, YouTube, music, shopping apps, calls, gym. At the end of the day, I have 10, maybe 15% left. Barely enough. iPhone 17 Pro Max, same routine, end of the day, like 40, even up to 50%. Huge difference. Why? Here, battery is bigger than on iPhone 15, like physically it's bigger. And A19 chip is more energy efficient. And of course, we need to consider that after 2 years, battery on my iPhone 15 Pro Max has degraded over time. But even for brand new, if we will compare those phones, iPhone 17 Pro Max wins. So in case if battery life matters to you, this is the clearest upgrade. Apple says the big leap this year is cameras. And for me, that matters because I shoot all my YouTube videos on iPhones. Before it was iPhone 15 Pro Max, now it's going to be iPhone 17 Pro Max. And here's time for a quick experiment that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So, first part of this video was filmed on iPhone 15 Pro Max. The rest on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hit pause button right now and comment. Did you notice any difference at all? Just in a moment, I will tell you the exact moment when I switched from iPhone 15 Pro Max to iPhone 17 Pro Max. Ready? This is the exact timestamp when I switched to iPhone 17 Pro Max. Everything before that were filmed on camera of iPhone 15 Pro Max. And of course, important things to consider. I changed nothing but the phone itself. Same light, same position, same camera settings. And now let me know, do you see any improvement at all? So what's new? Zoom. Way better on the 17 Pro Max, sharper and more detailed main camera. Honestly, not a huge difference. In a good light, most people won't notice. In low light, the 17 pulls ahead, but it's not night and day. If you're a creator, the zoom and those small improvements add up. But if you take just casual shots, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is excellent. It's more than enough for, I don't know, 80% of people, I believe. Display. This year's screen is bigger, brighter, and better outdoors. For me, this matters because I use my iPhone as a motorcycle navigator. Sunlight, visor reflections. The 15 Pro Max is actually fine, but the 17's brighter screen makes a noticeable difference on the road. So in case if you're spending a lot of time outside, this is one of those upgrades that you will actually feel. Let's zoom out. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is not a revolution. It's a bunch of small but meaningful improvements. Now, slightly better display, better performance, better battery life, new colors, but altogether, it's pretty good step forward. Definitely not a leap, but still. I remember when every iPhone felt revolutionary. When Siri was released with iPhone 4S.
What is the weather like today?
Here's the forecast for today.
It is that easy.
Touch ID.
It's called Touch ID. Touch ID uses a key you have with you everywhere you go, your finger. And more specifically, your fingerprint, which is unique to each of us.
Face ID.
Nothing has ever been simpler, more natural, and effortless. We call this Face ID. So Face ID.
The iPhone X even. But the last true revolution was years ago. And since then, what? Just evolution. But that's not just Apple. The whole smartphone industry slowed down. Final verdict, should you upgrade or not? Here's my honest take on it. In case if you have iPhone 14 or older, absolutely, this is a big jump in every way. In case if you have iPhone 15 or 15 Pro Max, I would still say yes, consider it. Because basically the battery life alone makes it worth it. But if you will add up better display, better performance, better cameras, all that makes it a pretty solid step forward. But in case if you have iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max, I would say no. The difference doesn't worth the money. So wait for another year. So that's my take as a long-time iPhone user. And now I want to hear from you. What do you think about iPhone 17 lineup? Are you planning to upgrade or are you skipping this year? Drop your thoughts in a comment section below. I read them all. And if you found this video helpful in any way, consider to like, subscribe, and see you soon. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.